first time of watching my video, please kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and turn on your notification button. But if you're already my subscriber, thanks for your time, thanks for your support, thanks for everything. On this video, I'll be teaching us how to combine macca, fennel, apple, and fenugreek powder to make bomb or butt enlargement oil. So back to the practical aspects. These are the things you'll be needing for your butt enlargement oil. This is your macca powder. This is your fenugreek powder. This is your apple seed powder, and this is your fennel oil. Also be needing your olive oil. This is your olive oil, and this is your vitamin E for preservation. So I'm adding them one after the other. You take the quantity from your apple powder. Make sure to take same quantities from each of the recipes. Time to add the fenugreek powder. So I'm adding the macca powder now, and I'm making sure it's time to turn the combination. And it's time to add the fennel oil. Look at it. Now turn the mixtures together. Time to heat our mixture, but before then, we have to add your extra virgin oil. So this is the virgin oil. Make sure that a little heat is being applied to it. As you can see, I'm adding it to the oil. I'll heat it for a few seconds before bringing it down. Next thing is to add the vitamin E to this mixture. The function of the vitamin E is to prevent stretch marks and also to preserve the mixture from spoiling. These are combinations of all the recipes. So the next thing to do is just to keep it for a period of 1 week, after which you extract the oil. That's squeezing it out, separating it from the chaff, keeping it aside for use. When applying the oil, make sure you apply it in upward direction. When applying the oil, make sure that you don't just apply it and go away. Just spend a little time, like 3 to 4 minutes. Use it to massage your backside, and do this twice a day. Continue doing it. Consistently doing it will bring out a very visible result. Thanks for watching my video, and thanks for giving me your viewing attention. Subscribe to my channel, like, drop your comment, and turn on your notification button. Bye.